13 WMAZ weather, sponsored by Bucky Holland Heating, Cooling, Plumbing.
Well, it is not the best looking start to the day today, but I promise you, heading in the afternoon, these clouds are going to part and we are going to have a nice, clear, sunny, but very cold day. The temperatures that you're waking up to this morning are not going to be with us for the rest of this afternoon. It's 58 degrees in Dublin at the moment. Across the temperature map, again, these numbers are the warmest that you're going to see all day long. We mainly have some mid to upper 50s, a few low 60s on there, but the change is already happening in our northern counties. A 46 there in Monticello and some low 50s in our northwestern counties. So as we look statewide, you can see where this cooler air is beginning to filter in. The cold front and the cooler air is on the way, and we are going to have a much colder Sunday than we had on Saturday. So the temperatures today, instead of climbing into the afternoon, are actually going to be falling. So when we would normally be seeing the high temperature for today, our temperatures are actually going to be somewhere in the low 40s. So a very cool day today. Again, we'll have plenty of sunshine once these clouds move out. Unfortunately, sunshine won't do much for our temperatures. It will be cold and very windy this afternoon with wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. So let's start with the cloud cover that we have out there right now, because actually it's not just cloud cover. We've got some rain showers in there as well. We really didn't have too much rain, but we did see a couple of light showers in the overnight hours, and what's left here is just kind of lingering with us. A very thin line of some very light showers that will again keep working its way out as we head into the rest of the morning. So once this front clears us, it's going to take the cloud cover with it, and then we are going to have a cool, breezy, and clear afternoon for the rest of today. And heading into the work week, we really don't have too many changes. It should still be a clear start to the week as well. Monday and Tuesday are looking clear, and we don't have rain chances again until Thursday. But temperatures are definitely going to grab your attention for the rest of today and to kick off the work week as well. Again, by the time we would normally be seeing the high temperature, we're only going to be sitting in the low 40s, and that is going to feel a lot more like the mid 30s. So very cool this afternoon, but we actually get even colder than that heading into tomorrow morning. A cold weather advisory is in place starting late tonight into early tomorrow morning. All that means is these low 20s that we see early tomorrow morning are actually going to feel a little bit more like the teens. So a frigid start to Monday morning, and then we head into the afternoon and only warm up into the low 40s. The good news is that will be the coolest morning on the 7-day forecast. As we head into Tuesday, we're still going to be cold, but we're working our way back into the upper 20s, and eventually throughout the week we're going to continue to stair step back into some more comfortable numbers. So it is just going to be a very cool end to the weekend here. Like I mentioned, temperatures are going to be cold, but there's also going to be wind gusts today up to 30 miles an hour. Luckily, the wind does taper off starting tomorrow morning, but we're going to have some of that in the morning, which is why the feels like numbers are going to be in the teens. But this is a pretty short-lived cold snap. By the time we're in the midweek this week, starting Wednesday, high temperatures are already back in the 60s, and then we stay that way heading into the weekend. So yes, it's going to be very cold to round off the weekend and kick off the work week, but luckily it doesn't last for too long.